రోజుపై నూతన ఉత్పత్తులు మార్కెట్లోకి వచ్చేసాయి. ఇంటిని అందంగా తీర్చిదిద్దుకునేందుకు పలు రకాల థీమ్స్ తో ఈ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ లభిస్తున్నాయి. ఓసారి ఈ న్యూ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ను చెక్ చేద్దామా?
Hi, I am Amin Ansari. I am from Rosebees, London. This is a lifestyle fashion brand dealing in home solutions. We have some home decor products and furnishing products also. Actually, our concept is divided into 4 different themes. This contains a unique and glorious range of products. Basically, the colors used in this theme are yellow, black and white.
What are the products that are
All the accessories we have in this, we have bed sheets, we have flower vases, we have bed lamps, lampshades, candle holders. Actually, in all the themes, we have all the accessories, but it's divided into different choices of the consumers. This is a very innovative bath set we have. This is made of ceramic, and apart from this, these are handmade candle holders in mango wood. These are hand-carved flower vases, sandstone. The sheet range we have it is divided into vertical and horizontal thread counts, which differentiate with other brands. As such, we are using both sides thread counts. It increases the color capability and durability also of the product. This is Geo Retro. Geo means geometrical, retro means past, related to 1970s. So basically in this theme we have the patterns and designs geometrically based and related to past. Basically you get in this theme basically in circles, squares, triangles, ovals, everything, these types of patterns and designs. In each theme, as such I have said you before, we have all the accessories. These candles, just you can have a look, this is completely based on geometrical design, and this is an aromatic candle. Aromatic candle is produce scents, a fragrance when it burns, and as such it is smokeless. This is the very special category. This is another theme, Eco Chic. Eco means ecological. Chic is a fashionable name in French. So basically in this theme you find ethnic designs, something ethical based designs in a very fashionable manner. This is a bamboo towel. This is a mixture of 50% cotton and 50% bamboo pulp yarn. And this speciality of this bamboo towel, this will be very soft, very light weighted, and this is antibacterial due to the mixing of bamboo pulp and yarn. This is a very special kind and category of towels we have, particularly in Eco Chic theme. This is the 4th theme, very close to the females actually, Peony Gardens. Basically the colors used are pink and white, basically very close, and this is a completely floral based theme, basically most beloved by the females. The 18.8 mm stainless steel collection, sir, and the speciality of this steel is this is completely splash proof, and this is basically a hollow melt steel and provided with scratch resistant. This is the bar collection we have. This is the tea collection, and this is the dining collection you have. lifestyle brand. So price comes a second thought for the consumers who are using lifestyle brands. So basically, comparisonly compared to other brands, our prices is quite reasonable and very affordable also.